Kublai pi baro syakatup Khuborjylla ke Bosco Media Network. Kimat ki bakongsan mentaka singi kilong. Penlong workshop ke Bosco College Pendihati Banyada Kerpang yaki kentai. Talasi ki pulit yaki kali bapenkenyai Shillong dan Kuna. Palat 90 minit layatai halor ke jingkeli uba Adelbert. Ban ai jing hikai ke MSLSA yaki rang basnong halor ki an bat ki lat jingerap ke sorkar. Bat mentang ini pai syaki Khubor ki bakambania. Katanat ke bapet kerpang yaki jingsngan ki kentai. Women's Cell jangka Bosco College Bindihati East Jante Hills ringkat bat ke District Hub for Empowerment of Women DHEW kala penlong yaka workshop haka shipau tarik Nailur halor kapang kajing thombor yaki kentai crime against women nagabenta kajing tip jongki Samla puli kentai bat kinong hikai hakane ka college. Hakane ka lumpung workshop labatai sani yaki Samla puli yaki lar kilenti kumno ban yada yalade bat ban kiar naki jingpa jingpon bakia kendu haka jing jongki kamtam naki tu ki brio ki ba lejan ki ba krandan akor bat ki ba peni baki long ki ba shngan ban det ban wan rengkat. Lahikai ru yaki ban husiar naka jing shania be yaki brio ki ba pena thlit bat ki ba le sebun palat put. Yak jing kran bakongsan la ai do uba Jimmy Pedang Assistant Public Prosecutor ubala kran benia halor ki phang ki baya dei bat ka jingle tomet bejot yaki kentai ka jing shim kabu de ki trying yaki nong bela kentai ka jing thombor ulok ya ka lok pat ki we ki subject ki ba ki kentai ki yakando ha ka ni ka juk ha ka jing jongki uba Jimmy ula batai shairu yaki lat kilenti kumno ki kentai kin shim kabu ban yada yalade bat ban wat jingerap na kibor jongkaan. Ulaong lada jia baki akendu yakum kini ki jingle tomet mardor kide ban yathu shaki bahyeng ki pulit bat ki seng ki batrei ban yada yaki kentai bat ban wat ki lat jingerap marmar. Kakong batbit lang bare ka brand ambassador ya ka jingthmu policy ka sarkar India ban kentiu shaprang yaki khon kentai beti bachao beti padhao kalakran hakane ka lumpung bat kalaya thu yaki babun ki jinge kendu jangka haki snem baladep kumnu kalaya rap yaki babun ki Samla kentai ban yada yaladi kala kentu yaki Samla kentai ban long ki basatar bat ki badan ka man bajuat ban poi shaka thong ka ba ki angnut dik haka jing jongki hakane ka lumpung kala don ka kenta kli bat jubab ka ba shongshet bha ki Samla kentai kila kli ya bon ba ki phang ki ba ki kwa pantip bat ki riu shampang kila ai ki juba pasai kedar ki ban yarap haka jing baman ka singi jongki ki Samla kentai kila penpau ba kila yo shibun ki jing mentoi na kan ka lumpung bat kin pentrekam hala ki jong ki jing ya kendo haka jing jongki kila penparu ya ka jing ngongo ya ka college ka DHEW bad ki riu shampang ki bala icebun ya ki jing start jongki bante lakam ya ka jing pen khenan bad ban pet benia ya ki nonya kali bakin don ya ki kot kisla ki ba pura kat kum kaan ki pulit ka ribhoi district menta ka sngi khat way tarik Nailur kila penlong ka jing talasi kali hasurok ba national highway hanongpo khamtam hakathan maudiang kani kajing talasi ki pulit kadai hadin kajing maham ka baki pulit kiladap ai syaki pat ba bakim dei ban pendat ya ki yet yong tinted glass ki LED light bat ki siren klem dai yo jingbet na ka sarkar hakani kajing talasi ki pulit kilalap shibon ki kali nadu ki arshaka lai shaka bat ki saw shaka ki bala penkhen ya ki kendon an da ka ba pendat yet yong bat ki LED light ki bat thaba bat pinwit ki way pat kinongnya hasurok tang kata hendrai bon ru ki kali ki basha talasi kim sham ladan ki kot kisla ki babyang kum ka driving license bat ki kot kali bat hakane ka jing talasi layo bandan kuna na ki kali ba penkhenan balakot shaka shilak tengka u additional superintendent of police ka ribhoi district u Orville Masar habakran shikinong tho Khubor ulaong bakani ka jing talasi ka dei ka bala penlong kat kum ka jing betha na u superintendent of police ka district ulaong ru bakathong kalong bante lakam ya kajing penkhen an bat ban pet benia baki nongnya akali baki don ni kikot kisla ki bapura kat kum kaan bat yakani ke jing talasi en beteng habaro ka wei ke distrik.
Sa SP jungin iba paingi mam kapor banya dan hasurak ini check kod kisla ini check ini license ini check ada attested classes badan ai kan ka awareness man kapor di patay ni man kapor ko nak kasi ini kum sedih doon ki kalida se kimiyapat ki license ti kepat ya ki limba ka plaskis tolak ba kedan lang duban pa ay kan news pa ban pindang ki ko isla pindang ki documents kung kanika checking kung ni ka ng poro sa umya mga type salap this one sling sa banihat checking yele janman kaski thì cấm đi cái checking rồi cấm đi công an chuyên ban penjenjari ki pat bangi ngim ko hi ni so tho bagani de highway kidan ti ki beri village body airport kidan ti lesi ki pat bar ki babe e ka pang stom ni so tho e ta indi ngi kaman chine ban stom na penjenjari no ro ki ko atan ni beri ro se bani afla haba fil abad yakhti steering ki hab shimthia satu kali kadi jongki but license but islah di bandan bakti timla ban chuan ne ban ong naman matang ladan kan ki chalang ngan check ngan clear tanga number ngalalap pinasinum si insurance ndo kam shu banya wa ai kata ngim ndo kam shu banya ta matak ladan do tung baka ki chalan ti kani di tang ka jikar pat ye ba semua banbu ikut isla labihnya kaliru yang sugi kemudian KK ba khaban kerki ban koyek na da pinya step koyek extra tang san 4 minute ro compare kalau di pinya sugi ro kai ka samhan mata kajing bha jingat mantam ki galien jong ni nong kuali ba bun di accident kilaja mashwa balalap ki kina school ki cross kene alpha school badan hani kiladon ki accident menshwa ni tepat dia baru pa mantam yang dia ngi beri ki bawa ki step ha dan tek ki haban pa ka kali ro ban be polis kali jong ban be nama kit sange kita tu kapini ba kita kata kajingting di kendi benar kajingting ini kami yang ni kulit benang ban penjenjar ne bangin halai bhi is pata mengicek betul selalu ada video di kota kita tengah type pintu kami ban pet ne ban
kaladon kejingetai ke banne islam bha ke balakot palat saupusan minit tang hakawai kejingkeli bawanra da UMLA ke Shillong North ba Adelbert Nongrum halor kejing trekam jo ka Meghalaya Basin Development Authority hakini kilai snap Hakajingetai halor kanikapang lashim benta langru unong yalam kaliang persha Dr. Mukul Sangma MLA ke Mauring Keneng ba HS Kharpran bat kiwe
to implement these projects.
Next question, please. Sorry, next supplementary.
Yes. Another supplementary. Sir, through you, Mr. Speaker, sir. Okay, everyone are aware about the fact there is another office under the planning department with a similar name, that is Meghalaya Basin Management Agency. I'm stating this because there is often some confusion for the general public between this Meghalaya Basin Management Agency and Meghalaya Basin Development Authority. To you, Mr. Speaker, sir, may I seek a clarification from Honorable Chief Minister, the different roles played by these two different offices with similar names.
So though this is outside the purview of the question because there are two different agencies, but in the interest of clarity, I'll be happy to reply to the honorable member's query. So the MBDA was established in 2012 under the Societies Registration Act 1860. And it is, as I mentioned, a special purpose vehicle, and it is a society as per the registration. So the MBMA is a not-for-profit establishment, a company. It's a company. MBMA is a company, is a not-for-profit company established under Section 8 of the Companies Act 2013. And that is the first distinction between these two organizations. One is the MBDA, it's a society. It is a SPV, whereas the Meghalaya Basin Management Agency is a not-for-profit company. Now, why was the Meghalaya Basin Management Agency, the MBMA, brought into being? Is because some of the externally aided agencies, for example, in this case, I would use the example of IFAD. So the IFAD had stressed and put a condition to the state government that this particular externally aided project of LAMP must be implemented by a not-for-profit registered company under the Companies Act. So it was a requirement made by the necessary agency. As I said, sir, the SPVs, of course, both of them are SPVs, but as I said, one is under the Societies Act and one is under the Companies Act. And MBMA was, as I said, the IFAD had asked for this company to be formed to fund this. Now, a lot of people may feel that why a private company and why should this be, isn't it wrong to bring a company? So let me just share with you that the reason why the IFAD
Ka Meghalaya State Legal Service Authority MSLSA haka khatway tarik Nailur kala penlong ya ka program ka bakerpang ban ai jing hikai na gabanta kinong ya lam shnong kum ka way na ka thong ban penshai halor ki an bat ki lat jing ya rap na ka sorkar haka bayade bat ki kam ba ki pat ba ki don kam ka jing ya rap na ka sorkar. Yakani ka program ay jing hikai balatip kum ka mediation and community mediation nagabanta kidang ba shnong bat kisim la penlong habhoy rembong sian adi block ribhoy district. Hakani ka program la shimbentalang da UTTM Sangma MUS officer on special duty ka MSLSA ka kong ai lingkhoy secretary ka DLSA ribhoy district kirang ba shnong bat buon ki pad ba ki balawan syakani ka jingelang.
Meghalaya State Legal Services Authority. But I had involved of what NALSA at the national level the Supreme Court. If you had Khubor ki states, ki judges, John ka High Court. If I had Khubor ki district, ki judges, John ka District Court. The Kumka team Haki districts, district level, District Legal Services Authority. We done here district and sessions judge, the chairperson. We done in secretaries. Then we done in DC, we done in SPs. We done in the main members, Joka District Legal Services Authority. He come, Joka District Legal Services Authorities, and also Khuborjylla, Meghalaya State Legal Services Authority. Kita kan ai Jylla yuki beliau ibamio Allah ni beliau benda kita buat bantu kita dan yasai yang kita buat macam kita. So in a way we offer free legal services, free legal help, free legal assistance. Ni ai Jylla kita buat masio bisa haba yadai bagi kam dan yasai buat force. Lalu kita laben rapat ini, la IT ini, ya ki kam bagian dari traditional kita, jadi schools, colleges, bagian spread awareness, bagian I jadi school tu jadi cai, jadi I di various laws, bah ki kajut juni mereka dalam kami ya, menuju Shillong Japan di Bosco cases, menuju Shillong Japan criminal cases, civil cases. The nimla over nata la leadership saw the courts, but once ni over ni lutisa, kibrio ki lutisa nakada, buon kibrio ki tria, but boy ki courts, but leadership courts. Ulang nakata yung pinulita, but la dan Kaki beliau macam Jylla macam Jylla tidak, ni nak district yang I kiki tidak, berlangkah bersih, kebiaraan yang fina tu asal kaki ada ikut kaki. Karena ada most important work the District Legal Services Authority and also the Meghalaya State Legal Services Authority. In the last year, he lawyers have been put on the all the people like Japan, the mediation, the Khubor, he Brio Kashlo, he done the Hakaba, he was so Kashlo House, yet he cases, come so many cases that they are here, such as murder, or so.
Kumshi benta na kajing rakhi ya kasngi ka tho ka puli lane ka literary day ka badeiru ka lengkhu saupon rius nam ka seng kinong tho kot ktien khasi author society haka khatwei tarik Nailur kila penlong ya ka lumpong yamir jingtip regional seminar halor ka phang usinyang kilat pathai Khubor shaka ktien khasi yakani kalumpong lapenlong hahol ka Shillong Commerce College baduba Shamborlang Renja Chief Executive Member ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council KHADC ulalong ukongsan rengkat ka jingdanlang u Dr. DRL Nonglat President KAS patbuon ngut kidukot jongkani kaseng Hakani kasngi lasa miki khusnam shiki Samla puli kibalayo bon mark tam haka subject khasi haki examine SSLC but HSSLC la pelaj pat baru santali ki kot balatho de kinong tho kot khasi ka Jylla habakran hakani ka jingelang uba Shamborlang Renja ulaong kum ubre ubam sngau tenat ban yaro lane ban kentho yakiwei ula ai jingmut yakinong tho kot bat yakidukot ka Khasi Author Society KAS ban ai jinghikai ban pentebet yakinong tho Khubor ban pendankam daki kentin ki ban penlong ya unong pule ne nong ngap Khubor ban wat ya jingmut jongki khnang ban penpro ya la ka jong ka ktien khasi
ya kilong kini kilong pa kinui kendai mut Kibalong kinong seng, jom mereka society, ya kecil yang ini kejoki, naga benda berdankam, mana berpun jengking susu, naga benda berdankam, mana merak perahu tishan, harga bedai, parkti kejoki. Nangai pakai KS ontang kejutu kejokan, bagi orang bak naik. Ông ta nghe là cái mũ là người ta vẫn lại là họ cả tầng đây là next camp đấy là cái áo một cái trong kiều mà năng bên long cái trong cái hầm your way all the way cái long gì ba cái slur cái yên cái bút chứng một năng người ta vẫn được tiêu ya cái gì cái Kemudian hakabadai dan syuhad kemudian hakabadai itu di Samla. Kibalaya khusna mene. Ngakan mau hakapor panglapas yang dijipuli matrik. Habangalay menpuli haposen man semaraj hakasi wani komne. Wala dai babu hangani kasmi kam shunai bidan. Tai babu suna salamai. Ila keren hakata kasih kebenikong hakapor pangishok ila subjek kasih. Ila orang ni ketim na negay kenal sa ada bentang. Hakata ketim kami iklan di babu suna sekolong. Bawat kai lewat cium babu orang kiwai. Maka subjek kasih. Nama yang peladan kikena boleh. Kibashim kiba subjek kasih. Kibayong patang not sound hak eksak juga. Hak tak sini kau baru iklan ni kau baru serus. Kami sudah kau jumut berperkat bakalau hati kita. Penban antang lanang yai boleh ia subjek khasi. Ngai beteng terter ada pendak yang digri. Nasyam sisa pakam deh subjek khasi. Kalau kau berjuang But come tam balong bantok kalau go Tara majubo ketika bintir. Masyadong yu hajan mana di jaga kamu kasulay berbulan. Wat le tang manang. Wat le tang manang. Manang le. Kamu mun wat thok tang manang. Manang berthok. Tidak ada. Lembah ini Khubor minum khuborkhasi bijumi. But we need to help you.
Unang alam kaliang persya kayeng dorbar thawaan ke Jylla Dr. Mokul Sangma ulabu jingkeli hayeng dorbar halor ke jingslam palat ban pendep ya ka Engineering College ha Ampati. Menteri Ketenat Puli Putih ke Jylla Rakam E Sangma ha ka jubab ula Khubor bakade ke jingshisha bakane ka projek kelas lempalan. Ula ongru ba ka sorkar kala dep betha ya u kontraktor ban pensted ya ka kam ban pendep no kloy ya ka.
At least these institutions come up and are commissioned. So despite the challenges, can I expect an assurance from the Honorable Minister and the government that on a war footing manner, we will take up these projects? Not only this Engineering College of Ampati, but other engineering colleges also, including College of Architecture and Urban Planning. These are institutions which will enable us to tie up with various industries. Institutions are required. Universities are required. That's why, Mr. Speaker, sir, I think as having, meaning I don't have to enlighten the Honorable Chief Minister. He understands the magnitude of the importance of these institutions because we are looking for drawing investment, somehow attracting partners. So, Mr. Speaker, sir, I think the government must be categorical in its response that on a war footing manner, we will see that these projects come through.
Speaker, sir, it is, as Honorable LO is pointed out, it's true, sir. Our state has like such a technical institutions and the colleges, sir. So therefore, sir, be it a Shillong Engineering College, be it a state university, as rightly said, be it a Ampati Engineering College and CIUP, sir. So we have tried our best. And fortunately, sir, we could start the Engineering College Shillong from this year. So the point has been noted as I want to issue the house, sir. So we will definitely work with a war footing manner to complete the project, this particular Shillong, Ampati Engineering College at the earliest, sir.
Mr. Speaker, sir, we are always tempted to say that we have tried our best. We are trying our best. If best is giving us this kind of outcome, then it is not yet best. So, with this assurance, I can also expect the assurance to commission and start the Shillong Engineering College as well, though it is not part of the principal question.
Speaker, sir, with Shillong Engineering College, the classes already started, sir.
When was it inaugurated?
Sir, if you talk in integration, the infrastructure building was integrated in 2023. I have that wrong, sir. Exact date is not in 2023. So, but in view of some observation of deficiency, and in view of the pending approval of the NCTA, sir, we couldn't start in 2024. But fortunately, sir, we have received the approval to start the course in 2025, and this August, we have already started classes for Shillong Engineering College.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I put this question categorically because we are not invited. So may we expect that when...
Badak itu ki Khubor ngelapoi syakabakut tarhadu bangin daya syambiang kublai shibun.